In this video, we're going to be unboxing the foldable towel warmer by VIP Bath. I want to thank VIP Bath for sending this out to us. We're very appreciative, but wanted to unbox it because it has a gift-ready design. It has built-in recommended fragrances. It has an auto shutdown when tipped over, and it also has a built-in timing warning function. So just wanted to show you what this looks like. Let's take it out and see what we've got. So what's cool about this one and why it's foldable is because of the fact that this is what it looks like sitting down. It does have feet in here that we're going to check out, so it will be a little bit higher, but I think that all in all, once you fold it down, it goes down to less than 7 inches. So let's take the tape off and see what all we've got inside. All right, so it does come with 4 feet here, and it looks like you just take them out of this package and just slide them in. So we'll look at that here in a second once I get everything else out of here. You also have your instruction manual along with all of your set discs in here. Let me open this up so I can show you what all you get as far as that goes. So it's got 12 scent discs, and basically what you do is you'll open this up and you'll slide it into this right here so that while it's warming, it will put off that scent. So we've got four. This is with the ocean scent. We've got 4 of these cologne scent, and then we've got 4 of the mint scent. Put those back into the package here. Set that to the side. And then, so looks like you just unclip these right here. You raise that up, and it's got little metal legs inside of here where you'll just prop them into place on the outside of the wall here. And basically are ready to go. So what's nice about this, it is, I think, 35 liters altogether. So you could fold 3 full-size towels and put them in here. It'll also hold 2 very large robes. So that's pretty impressive. As far as the breakdown goes, you just pull the little metal legs back in, and it folds back down just like that. From there, just lock it in place, and then you could put it away. If you want to put it underneath the cabinet or store it underneath in your closet. It's just nice because it takes up a lot less space. Sorry, we got to get that tucked in there. I didn't realize we were sticking out over there. It's pretty easy to do there. Now we're going to flip it over. You've got the cord on the bottom. And again, these are your feet. So they have a little notch in them. You just slide it right in, and that'll click right into place. All right, we've got the feet on. So this is what you're looking at when it's on the feet and locked down. So anyway, again, I really just wanted to unbox this and show you what this looks like and what you get here with the new foldable towel warmer from VIP Bath. If you're looking for a great towel warmer, definitely check this one out. I'm going to come back later and do a review and see how it actually works and put it to the test. And I'll be back with that video later.